I know you will feel difficulty in it. Single displacement reaction. Can you understand the single displacement with the help of diagram? Triangle. We are supposing here that triangle is more powerful than square. Then what will happen? Triangle will come and kick off the square. Square will go away and triangle will make a new relationship with circle. This is called single displacement reaction. Why? Because triangle is replacing square over here. So what is the definition written? You can see on the screen. In a single displacement reaction, one element displaces another element. And obviously I told you that it's always a stronger atom, a stronger element will displace a weaker element. Okay? In this type of reaction, an element and a compound react and form a different element of governance. Okay? Now see the examples. Anyone of you remember the example that I gave you yesterday? Zinc reacts with HCl. What is the symbol of zinc? Zn. What is HCl? Hydrochloric acid. So zinc is stronger than hydrogen. So zinc will come and replace hydrogen. See, in the second reaction, zinc is displacing hydrogen, zinc chloride and hydrogen. Same is true in the first reaction. The iron being more powerful than copper, so it will displace copper and it will occupy its position. That's why the thing form, the compound form would be FeSO4. What do you call it? Fe means iron, iron sulfate, or its common name is ferrous sulfate. Its another name is ferrous sulfate. So in these two examples, single displacement reaction occurs. Like in a football match, if someone is injured, then what happens? There are 11 players on the ground. They can only replace. So the injured one will come out, okay, and the other one will go in. Displacement reaction. Same will happen here. So these two lines on the screen, you are not going to learn or memorize them. This is just for your info that which one is stronger than which one. So potassium is stronger than sodium. Sodium is stronger than calcium, then magnesium, and then. This is called the activity series. This is showing that which one is stronger and which one is the weakest. If you have any interest in it, just Google activity series in chemistry. You will see the answer. That which element is stronger than the other one. So, copper sulfate, a solution. If you put a nail of iron in it, we have just seen that iron is more powerful than copper. What is the solution? What is the color of the solution on the left side? Blue. Copper sulfate, the solution of copper sulfate is blue. Right? We have seen in grade 8. When you put an iron nail in it, what will happen? Iron will displace copper and forms iron sulfate or ferrous sulfate. That's why the color changes from blue to green. So the same concept, displacement. Now I hope that you have understood. Zinc will displace, zinc will kick off rather copper. Okay? Okay. All of these reactions, zinc is replacing HCl, hydrogen, potassium replacing sodium, copper chloride. You should be able to read the chemicals over here. If you want, if you are unable to read, it means you are weaker, you have not studied the previous day's assignment or work that I gave you. Magnesium replacing chlorine, replacing bromine, and these two are there in the book. All right. So synthesis, decomposition, single displacement reaction. Now the double displacement reaction. So simple, this one. The two chemicals will exchange their partners. Like in the first one, Na will replace lithium Li. Na will become the partner of F, and Li will become the partner of Cl. Means the displacement is occurring at two places. That is why it is called double displacement reaction. See, the partner of calcium is sulfur and the partner of magnesium is oxygen. Then after reaction, there is an exchange. Calcium has gone with oxygen and magnesium will become the partner, has become the partner of sulfur. This is the most convenient way. If we have a reaction A, B, and CD, then it will convert into AD and CD. Okay? Simple. Now the last reaction is combustion reaction. So what do you mean by combustion reaction? Reaction with oxygen, I told you earlier. Reaction with oxygen. If a thing is reacting, if a substance is reacting with oxygen, we call it what? It's a combustion reaction is going on. And we know that to burn, we need oxygen. Okay? So either you burn coal in an open atmosphere, or you burn sewage gas in your kitchen, or CNG in the vehicle, or petrol in the cars. Combustion reaction. Might be you have heard there's a combustion chamber in the engine. So fuel plus oxygen, this is called combustion reaction. So when fuel reacts with oxygen, two chemicals definitely formed, water and carbon dioxide, along with the release of heat energy, that heat energy, nitro, okay? All right? If you are using nitro in a vehicle, that is something different. Even then, it's a combustion reaction. Even then, it's a combustion reaction. So, combustion reaction occurs when oxygen reacts with another substance and produces large amount of heat and light. Example, burning of coal, burning of octane. Octane is high octane, petrol. Methane or methane, whatever you say. Methane is the major part, I told you, of our sewage gas. So these are the 5 reactions that we have covered today. Carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide, synthesis reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and combustion reaction.